This is MC. This is cardboard. I have taken 4 such pieces and measured the top of my base and then stuck together and left it for an hour. After that, now this thing I am going to make it with MC. Take a little talcum powder. You have to be quick, otherwise it starts drying very fast. Take a little talcum powder. This portion I have already stuck. I need to do the remaining one. I'm talking very softly because I have guests outside, but I have to finish my project. Keep mixing till you find it smooth enough and little softer. Initially when we will be mixing it, it won't be soft. Just roll with your rolling pin, balloon, that's what you call it, and very little bit of rolling is enough. Okay, now what you do, just apply a little Fevicol everywhere, little, very little is enough. Everywhere in the corners also, and put your seal there. Yeah, the one which you had just needed, and just press it and push it forward slowly. If you push it hard, it's going to break like this. Don't worry about the joint, it won't be seen after you do the finishing. It won't dry that fast. It's only that I have to do a lot of things with it, so I'm in a hurry, in the sense that I have to remove from here, then again add here wherever is left out. Just remove the excess. Rub little talcum powder in your hand and make it smooth. Okay. And where you cannot see any M-seal, like here, just take a little. You need a little Fevicol here. This is not sauce, okay? Don't get confused with my bottle. I bought it new for this craft purpose only, because I think this is the easiest way of transferring your Fevicol from your big jar to this bottle. It's quite convenient. You can also try that. Okay, well, I need a little longer one, like this. I'm doing very fast, but it's okay. You can do slow also. It won't dry very fast. It needs at least half an hour to dry. Okay. Okay, now here it is done, and this side little bit is left here. again you need a little Fevicol. And press. Okay, it is quite time consuming actually, but that's okay. You can take a break in between by the time this will dry. Okay, now this you have done. Just take your rolling pin and make it smooth. The air bubbles wherever it's there will come out. This also you can just take a support of your body and just roll. This way it's going to become even. Can you see? And this portion also, just leave it like this, make it even. Okay, and this side also make it even. Very softly, don't give a pressure, otherwise it will break. Okay, now this is done. So we have to wait till it dries, and then we will add a few things on this to give it a look of a jharokha. Let me show you a little peekaboo of what we are going to make. It's going to be like this, something like this. Can you see? Okay, let me show you. Can you see? Jharokha. It's basically a window. Okay, so we will be back with lots of work, not lots of work, as we have to do quite a lot in this. Till the time our top is drying, let's cover this with tissue. I am just taking simple normal tissue papers, napkins, paper napkins. You can take toilet tissues, tissue rolls, or kitchen towels, anything, whichever you feel convenient. I am taking this because that is what is available with me at present. Generally I always keep tissue, but at present it is not there. I've got over with all my stuff. There are two, this side is plain and this has got grooves. I want the grooves to go down so that the texture is plain and I can give some texture and it sticks properly. Okay. Just spare anything. So, okay. Simply keep on adding. Don't try to make it even, like if you can see all these wrinkles and all are there, that is going to help you in creating texture. Just let it be as it is. need a lot of liquid for this. Okay, so just we will wait for this to dry.